try and be cute. This is where those houses used to be, where you see those rocks on the side. This is where the houses are now, on the side of the road. Now that right back there is where they bring in this stuff at, apparently. It seems to be some type of makeshift trash pile. Orange trees on the side that's no longer any good. They had to plot it all up. Such sadness. Houses, trucks, cars. Coming down. Messed up, people belonging their whole life, whole livelihood, everything is just messed up. As I'm driving through here, I'm slowing down somebody's house. My mobile home is turned around, which is any good. Other homes. This is trash, debris inside the road. This is some more trash and debris. More houses. More houses. Once was a house inside the road. With that. There's some more houses on this side. Oh my God. Such destruction. Now, coming up to a point where they have some more houses that are on the highway. In the middle of the road. Stuff. Here we go with some more stuff. That's what the bricks were for one house. Now you can see that house on the highway. It is on the highway as we speak. And there's this big truck coming real fast. That can't tell where we are, so that's dangerous. So here I am driving. Here's another vehicle on the side of the road. Here is a house on the side of the road. As you can tell, more vehicles, more junk. Oh God, it's just so hardening, disheartening. They appear to have gotten most of the tombstones back where they're supposed to be. But look at that. I'm coming. And there's this guy. And he's telling me to come on. Look at the devastation. It's just sad. house moved. That house is very done. Look at this. Oh, it's just stuff all over the place. It's just sad. Oh my God. It was a nice house. And it was like a friend's house. This is his house. Some other people's homes. We're approaching Woodlawn. Woodlawn office building where I used to work. All of that is like going in the water. And then you have this house, which shifted completely with this foundation, somebody's unit. And then you have the church. So sad, so beautiful. No. They're getting some cleanup done right here at least. And then you come back this way. They're giving out water. And then you have those people. And then you have these people who's stuffing up stuff, whoever he is. And that's for a truck. And you have Ray Denise's out. And these people, I'm not going any faster. So, just trying to put up their house. Oh my Lord. And Savior Jesus Christ. Okay. Y'all go around me. If I have no place to